Prosecco pairs really well with Italian seafood dishes. So this menu is a flavorful progression. Tips would be light, crisp, and vibrant. Yeah, Prosecco pairs really well with Italian seafood dishes. So this menu is a flavorful progression from each course, so that you can really experience the whole how Prosecco and seafood complement each other in multiple contexts. So it would be Jennifer Lawrence. She's my favorite, and she's down to earth and never fails to bring you a smile in any situation. Gone through some tough times, and while we don't know what's next, like the road ahead of us is unknown, so why not live in the moment and enjoy more time with a down-to-earth friend?